Recovering deleted messages on Dropbox can be essential for retrieving important information. Follow these steps to restore your deleted messages. Step 1. Log into your Dropbox account. Access your Dropbox account by visiting the Dropbox website or opening the app on your device. Enter your login credentials to get started. Step 2. Navigate to the Deleted Files section. Once logged in, go to the Files section. Look for the Deleted Files option, which is usually found in the sidebar or under the More drop-down menu. Step 3. Locate the deleted messages. In the Deleted Files section, browse through the list of deleted items. You can use the search bar to quickly find specific messages if you remember their names or contents. Step 4. Select and restore the messages. Once you find the messages you want to recover, select them by clicking the checkbox next to each item. After selecting, look for the Restore button and click it to recover the messages back to their original location. Step 5. Verify the restoration. After restoring, navigate back to your main Files or Messages section to ensure that the deleted messages have been successfully restored. Check that all content is intact and accessible. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your deleted messages on Dropbox. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Dropbox support for further assistance.